To look into the stars is more than just observing space. It is peering into the past. Every photon hitting your eye today is a ghost from an era that no longer exists. Traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, light acts as the cosmic hard drive. It crosses the void, carrying the detailed blueprints of universal history. If an observer looked at us from 65 million light-years away, they wouldn't see our cities or our technology. They would see the age of dinosaurs in its prime. We are cosmic ghosts. We exist in this present, but we are broadcasting our image into an eternal future, one that we will never witness. At the Nexus, time is just a distance measured in light. Welcome to the Chronicles of Light.